One of my favorite places to eat right down the street from my office was Boulevard Burger. I've been going there for about 20 years. I would say during COVID, where I would notice, got a handle on who the owner was, he was always wearing a mask. Even after COVID, I noticed he always had a mask on. Met him in the parking lot, took his mask off. I would say I was a little sad even, because here's a man who dedicated his life to feeding everybody. He really couldn't eat. I don't think he could eat his own hamburger. Best hamburger in the Valley, by the way. I kind of took the step to start pushing him to come see me. Carlos came in, we took his blood pressure, and I think it was 185 over maybe 115. That's how it all started. Step number one, my good friend, Dr. Gary Schliffer, runs Evolve Healthcare. I asked him for a big favor, get his blood pressure under control so that I can start surgery and start treatment. Got everything under control. We placed about 13 implants in total, about 6 or 7 per arch. The day of surgery, basically, we removed all the teeth on one arch. We placed the implants, digitized our records, scanned everything, brought everything in on a computer, designed a new set of teeth, 3D printed those teeth, and inserted them. Then we did the other arch, same workflow. We just finished his case, and he is extremely happy. His desire was always just to be able to eat a steak, be able to eat a burger. I'm very happy we finally accomplished that and gave him a smile that it truly lights up the room. Really fulfilling to be able to see that, the impact we made in his life and his health as well. He's got a big family, and a lot of people rely and depend on him. The guy works like 100 hours a week. With that blood pressure, I don't know what would have happened. So it was meant to be, and I'm just thankful that, we got him better.